Okay, I'm gonna open another bag. Let's see this one. There's no name. I think part of my order that's not all together. So this is another. Okay, made in Italy. Take note. Oh, this is very nice. Perfect for summer, guys. So soft. Look at that. It's big. I did it on purpose because it's I like it so lousy going somewhere. I like the color plus the print, guys. I like it. And you can wear with your thick one. I like it. This one. It's like a cover up style. And this is 100% cotton, so it's gonna shrink. And this is from, I don't know. This is hard to read. Okay. Spinghi di Lino, Italy. I like it. Very comfortable. Ooh.